sound decibels on it. Go ahead. This is what we took off. 80 series FLOWMASTer. We replaced it with a Super 44 943048. You'll see, hopefully we'll have a link in the description for it. There it is. Really clean car. One of the cleanest we've seen. What you guys think in the comments. I think it sounds phenomenal. FLOWMASTer 44. All right. Clean, guys. You don't see much of these anymore, especially this clean. Let you guys see the sides of it. Here's the interior. It's still a work in progress on the inside, but it's still really clean. He's still restoring it little by little. I like those wheels on it. They look really cool. IROC. There's his friend following him. Hopefully he'll do the Trans Am next.